take off the nuts for alternator. Boom. Took that off. Fish it up under the high pressure fuel pump fuel line. The input side. And then once we do that, put this back on the alternator so that when we get our replacement, we can just switch everything over and take our job in. Just like that. Right, so now next thing is I want to say my AC compressor, but I don't feel like dealing with these lines because once they get bent, bro, they bent. So, and they flexible right now? Yeah, they are. So what I can do is see if I can unbolt all these bolts that's holding this AC compressor to get right to it. So one here, two there. I think there's another one on the bottom. Let me go up under. And see. Oh yeah. And then there's one more that's connected to the AC compressor. And then more than likely maybe. Let's go for next one. So, oh dang. So more than likely, let's do this. Let's go ahead and check the fitments for all of this hootenanny type stuff. What is this? Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. I guess that was for my coolant reservoir. Just loosening all this up. It's 13 for the AC compressor bolts that's holding it to the AC compressor mount. Also related to the okay. Comes out. I can't even see, man. Like, I don't know what to do. It's like this bolt right here. I'm taking out. And try not to when I take my AC compressor out, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick it up and sit it over there on the side where, like on the strut mount, if possible, just to get it out the way. Yeah, just want to see if I could. Alright, let's go up under. And there's another bolt that's holding the AC compressor up under here. There's only one that's holding the AC compressor to this bracket. Broke it loose. Going to unscrew it the rest of the way with my finger. And once this like comes out, man, you be careful, cause you don't want to bend the hoses. If you bend the hose, you're gonna have to flush everything out. You're gonna have to and everything. So just be careful. All right, almost ready to come out. Sort of, kind of. Yes, I don't know. Nervous myself. Right now. You know what? I don't even honestly know if this thing was. I don't know. Shoot. Let's just find out. I think I already took off the electrical connection. I think the last thing that's holding it up right now is this last bolt. It's just this last bolt. It's like right over here. Behind, it's up right up under the electrical connection that's right here. Probably can't see it because my dang, I don't have my phone that's recording. Which sucks because I really want to help y'all out. So y'all just, oh, there we go. So what we're gonna have to do now is, because this thing is gonna be super duper heavy, I'm telling you that right now, guys, is go ahead and get everything clear of the AC lines, so that whenever we take this thing off, what we're going to do is we're not going to try to hold it by, we're not going to try to hold it by the lines, but if this line, like this thick line right here, if it's strong enough, I'm just going to use it and use the small one for support. But once this thing drops, man, it's dropping. So be mad careful. Alright. Gotta hold, I'm holding it from the bottom for support. Doesn't feel that heavy, so I'll take it off. But just taking it off right now. wrench to the side. Unscrewing the rest of this by hand. If I'm able to. Don't know. I'm trying. It's not letting me. Just gonna try to ratchet the rest of it out. Let's see. Or not. Oh, so it's setting in some grooves. Gotcha. Sweet. All right. Put the side. All right. Mad careful, guys. Mad careful. Always keep checking the tension on these. What I'm gonna do is just gonna keep swinging it, keep swinging it, keep swinging it. Since I'm already rebuilding this engine, so I'm gonna say right there, so I can get it to the other side. Keep checking the tension on these lines. Make sure it's good. Gonna get it. And just gonna sit it right here where the cabin intake is for right now. Until I'm able to actually get the things to relieve the pressure from these little knobs and everything. So I'm able to get that. So, all right, got the AC compressor out. Sweet beans. All right, so now let's put those bolts back so that we won't lose them. Are they different lengths? I think they're all the same length. Yes, they are. So awesome. They are all the same length bolts. So remember, AC compressor, alternator, fuel pump. Got me? This is your fuel pump gasket, I'm guaranteed. So, oh yeah, so what it was is that the AC compressor has like these little notches so you can sit them in right here. And that's what helped me. I just pressed it up against it and pretty much let it rest on it just a little bit, but still with pressure. So I was able to get this screw right here out, this last one. So. All right. Put this light bulb on. Hopefully I can get a camera and whatever not, man, soon. So I can actually put a name, face to my hand. Feel like Chris Fix right now. Shout out to Chris Fix. Alright, so next, let's take the take the oil filter off. So it's gonna be this screw right here, and this screw right here, and this screw on the back side right here. It's holding in everything. And I'm gonna get my screwdriver. Not a screwdriver, my freaking ratchet. I think it's a E10, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a E10, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, I don't think I'm right, but oh, it's a E10. So what we're gonna go with. So yeah, let's go with that. Somewhere where y'all can see, but like, dang, dude. Can you see right there? Let's see. Hopefully y'all can see right there, bro. So that should be good. Crack that one loose. Going up under the bottom. Extension off. Don't mind my hairdo. I know I ain't got a cut in a while, so let's go with the stock one on the back side. Oh, we're already over here. Yep. Sweet. Then let's get a E10. E12 for this bolt down here. That's E12. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Try this E10 one more time. If it don't fit, over this. Alright, so this hose right here that goes to the cooler is already loose. I already drained my coolant, I already drained my oil and everything. So sweet. Bolts already loose pretty much. Just keep ratcheting, that thing goes out of there. once I take this off, I'm just gonna put my bolts like just right back in it, so that I'll know where they are. So whenever I take my engine out, I'll just be able to replace everything one by one, go on the steps that I need to go in, and so that I won't lose any bolts or lose track of anything. Or you could go to plastic bag method and do that. Doesn't matter, your preference. But it just leaves a less of a hassle. It leaves a less of a hassle for me. I didn't take my oil filter out either, so that would suck because I don't have my tool here. Because then I would have been able to let all the oil drain and everything. So long one on top, short one on the bottom. I'm pretty sure that was the medium one on the back side. Medium. Oh, foot. Well, I got my pick tool here. Might as well. There's other coolant hoses attached. Set this down. Attach this coolant hose. I got a whole bunch of coolant in my driveway. Sweet. Just perfect. Just wanted to catch a coolant hose. Dang. There it is. Sweet, there's more. Dang, bro. Where's all this freaking coolant coming from? Coolant everywhere. Okay, you gotta be killing me now. Dang, this thing's tight as heck. More than like it has gasket in it. That's like not one to release. Nah. Right. Create the gap, broke the seal, boom, 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 the wrench, should be able to just come right off, we're not, Oh. Coolant. Oh. Look. Oh, an oil. Look at that. Looks like Hulk. Right. Hey, I got two fighting in the road. And my head got in my way. Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know why BMW just didn't put their engine upwards. I don't get it. I don't know why the German engineering is kind of, I don't know. Like, why didn't you just make a different motor mount and a different system for the steering rack, along with so I mean, shoot, man, I don't know. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Antique manifold could have been different. What's going on?